Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting the mesh setup now. First, place the primary router and plug it into your modem. Power both and wait for stable LEDs. You should use an Ethernet cable for the main connection because wired backhaul is faster and more reliable than wireless. This reduces setup issues. Next, open the vendor app or web portal on your phone, create or sign into the account, grant location and Bluetooth if requested, and start the add node or setup flow. This kicks off provisioning and network configuration. Place additional nodes now. Aim for 1 to 2 rooms away from the primary, so signals overlap roughly 50–70%. Once a node powers up, let it join automatically via the app. If prompted, scan the QR code on the device or enter the serial number. Make sure firmware updates are applied before finalizing placement because updates fix compatibility and performance. Also set a clear SSID and WPA3 or WPA2 password. Consistent Wi-Fi name avoids roaming conflicts and secure encryption. Finalize by checking signal strength in the app or with a Wi-Fi analyzer. Mark weak spots and slightly reposition nodes until you see strong RSSI and full band coverage. Then enable guest network and parental controls if needed. They isolate devices and simplify management. Once done, run a speed test at multiple locations to verify throughput. Troubleshooting tip: if a node won't connect, power cycle it, factory reset when necessary, and temporarily move it next to the primary to complete provisioning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.